said that? I'm not just Chad. I'm Chad the chicken. Hey, 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 hey. He's a mad scientist. I am not a mad scientist. Just a scientist. To let all you people know, just a scientist. Mad, 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 mad scientist. I'm not a mad scientist. I'm not a mad scientist, and I'm Chad the chicken. Just Chad the chicken, the scientist. Got science. Hey, Chad! Chad! Who said that? Who said that? Me, Chad. Who said me? Me. What are you? I'm a magical floating orb. What do you do? I made you a pie, Chad. A pie? What flavor? Pie flavor. Wah! Oh, God. I don't think I've ever really seen a pink pie hat. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. This has been Chad the Mad Scientist. The chicken. What? He's Chad the chicken, and he's a mad scientist. No, I'm not. God.